So here we are, falling from the heavens into what looks like Europe, Italy. But what part of Italy? Maybe you read the title already and know that we're headed into Genoa. This is one of the oldest continually inhabited cities in the world. People always living. It's also one of the most important ports in the Mediterranean Sea. It was the leading commercial port from the 11th century to the late 1700s and boasted one of the largest navies in the world. This is indeed Genoa, and we visited here a while back, a couple years ago. Had a wonderful time. So for our idiom today, I decided to go Italian. And the idiom, please forgive my pronunciation, prende lucciole per lanterne. I'm going to say it one more time. Prende lucciola per lanterna. And that means mistaken fireflies for lanterns. This is not an English expression, but we need to make it one. Mistaken fireflies for lanterns, and that means you misunderstood a situation. So, when I showed up early, because I thought I had a meeting, but I didn't realize it was supposed to be next week, I just had to admit myself, prende lucciole per lanterna. I had once again mistaken fireflies for lanterns. This ship we're seeing right here was used as a prop in the movie Pirates by Roman Polanski.
I know. Yes, little fishes.
Of course, we had a lot of good food in Genoa. It was a very rainy day when we came in the first time, on the first part of the trip. This young lady was our tour guide. We took a food tour of Genoa, which is the only way to take a tour of, I think, any city now. Every city I want to take a food tour of that city, because we saw a bunch of little restaurants, little places that there was no way we would have found on our own, and ate a lot of very delicious food, and immediately wanted to go back and get more, because that's who we are.